Hey everyone, welcome to another live workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to wow your audiences when you're giving a live presentation by being able to show your mobile device onto your presentation. It's actually really cool. I started doing this little trick, a little while ago. I was giving presentations on showing people how to go live with their mobile device on Facebook Live, and people were just like mind blown. Like, oh, how cool was that you just showed your phone on the screen? Like, how did you do that? So this is why we're here giving a live workshop on how to do that today. If you do not know me, my name is Brian Bird with Go Global Live, and our mission is to help you create your global message through video and live streaming. So this is a cool, fun video trick, and it's actually cool if you're doing it in video, but it also helps if you're giving a live presentation. So I'm going to bring over my computer screen here, and this is just a quick little example slide presentation. Here's my presentation, why is video, it's so cool, but how do I go live on my mobile device? So, and then on this last one where I'm going to do the demo, I left a lot of space so I can show you that. So the magic behind doing this is an app called Reflector. The current version is Reflector 3, and you can get it for $15. It's actually really, really cool because what it allows you to do is, it's basically the same concept as if you're casting any device to like a TV. So if you have Apple, then if you have an Apple TV and an iPhone where you can do the AirPlay, or it's like a Chromecast or any sort of like casting technology, that's what we're doing here. But what's cool about this is it basically, whatever you have the Reflector app installed on your computer, then that allows any device that is able to cast onto the computer, which is actually really, really cool. So even though I have a PC computer here, I can cast my iPhone to it, and I can do it during a live presentation. It's actually really, really cool. So the only catch is that both devices must be on the same network. So if the venue that you're presenting at provides Wi-Fi, make sure that your phone and your laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi. If they don't provide it, then you can use something like I'm using right now. It's just a little mobile hotspot to where just make sure that both of them are on the same Wi-Fi, and then you should be good to go. When you install the app, let me get out of here so you can see this. There we go. So once you install the app, you're going to see this window here, and then you're going to give your computer a name. This is our computer that we do all of our live streaming from, so we call it the streaming rig. And so that's just going to be there, and that's what the device is going to see. So now that it's all nice and launched, I can come back here. And so let me get back here. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it. Unfortunately, I can't capture my phone until it's up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unlock it, and I'll try to show you. So if you have your phone, all you're going to do is swipe up. If you're on iPhone, see if I can do this backwards. So just like you're going to look for any device, you're going to do that. And then, sorry, it's out of focus, but you're going to see all of the Apple TVs that you can go to. And right here, you'll see streaming rig as if it were an Apple TV. It's going to connect. And voila, there is my phone on my computer. And then if I stop mirroring, it just goes away, just like that. So I'm going to bring it back, and here it is. So now whatever I do on my phone, you'll be able to see me do it live. So now I'm just playing with my phone, and here it is live, which is pretty neat. So if I swipe, it swipes. I swipe back, it swipes back. So it's pretty cool. So now I can do any live demos that I want to do on my phone. So to incorporate it into a presentation that really just wows people because it looks so seamless is exactly what I'm showing you before. So one of the things I like to do is go into the settings real quick. In the preferences, make sure it's always on top. So it'll pop up as the top layer. And so right now I'm going to stop. Here we go. So now that it's all ready to go, and let me show you another cool feature. Okay. So what I know this app can do is actually really, really cool. So it pops up right here. It knows it's an iPhone, so it gives it this frame, but you can turn that off if you wanted to. But not even that. I can move it around. I can scale it. So if I wanted to put it like in like a very specific spot, And then you can do all kinds of crazy things. And I'll show you during when I do the presentation that if you turn your phone is vertical and you turn it sideways, it'll actually adapt and be able to show you that. So, but the only thing I don't enjoy about this is, so say I turn it off and I want to bring it back, it's going to default back to this whole this center position. So that's the only caveat. You have to make sure that it's right there in the position the whole time. So I'm going to turn it off for the moment. I'm going to go back to my first slide. So now here I am presenting. I have my pointer. I'm giving my presentation. Like, oh, this is my amazing presentation. Why live video? It's the best. It's so cool. Everyone needs live video. But how do I go live from my mobile device? How do I do it? So now I'm on my next slide. This is where I'm going to do my demo. I say, well, let me show you real quick. I turn on, get it to cast, and boom, it's right there in my presentation, ready to rock. So now if I were to give this presentation, I have to turn it on, unlock it. I'm going to click on the Facebook Pages app because that's how you manage your Facebook pages. And so here I am on the Go Global Live Facebook page, and you can see it on here. I want to hit the live button, and I'll show people how to do this. So now I can show them. It even records the videos so you can see this. And what's even cooler, what I was showing you earlier, so if I'm telling people, hey, if you want to go live on Facebook, if you want to make it seem like it's not on your phone, the easiest way to do that is to turn it horizontally. And look at that. The app is going to automatically adjust that horizontal to fill that screen, which is pretty cool. Ooh, don't do low angles like I just did. I'm doing too many things at once. And then I tell them how to do the description and then hit the red button to go live. So I can bring it back. And then I say, everyone's like, wow, that was so cool. Then I bring it back. I'm going to go up and I'm going to turn it off. And then I'm going to click and say, thank you. That was my presentation. Voila. Fantastic. So this is super cool. This is super cool when you're just simply giving a presentation and you have anything to show on your mobile device, whether that it's an app or if you have, a tablet that you want to show people, or, pretty much anything. And you don't have to, the seamless part about it that's really cool is that you don't have to, take down your PowerPoint and, go to another application and pull it up. It's just as soon as you overlay it, it's going to come right over your PowerPoint. You do it, you turn it back off, and you just keep going with your PowerPoint. It makes it super easy, super seamless, and I've just gotten so much good feedback from it. So I hope this helps, and I hope that it will help you improve your presentations. And until next time, I will see you in the next video.